Looking for the best weed barrier to keep your garden beds clean and low maintenance? In this video, we'll break down the top 5 options on Amazon, comparing fabric versus plastic solutions. First up is the LAVEVE Premium Heavy-Duty Weed Barrier Fabric, one of the most reliable and affordable options for gardeners who want durable, long-term coverage. Made of woven polypropylene, this fabric is breathable, UV-resistant, and comes in a practical 4-foot by 100-foot roll. It includes 30 U-shaped stakes for easy installation and has printed planting guidelines to help you space crops or shrubs evenly. What makes this fabric a favorite among home gardeners is its ability to block sunlight while still allowing air and water to reach the soil. This encourages healthy plant growth while suppressing weeds without the use of harmful chemicals. It's great for vegetable beds, flower gardens, or under mulch paths. If you want a simple, long-lasting barrier that won't suffocate your soil, the LAVEVE fabric is a top-tier choice. Next is the DeWitt Pro 5 Weed Barrier Fabric, widely regarded as the professional landscaper's choice. This 5-ounce woven fabric is known for its exceptional durability and long-term performance. It comes in larger rolls, such as 6 feet by 250 feet, and is made to last up to 12 years under proper condition. Unlike cheaper, thinner landscape fabrics, the DeWitt Pro 5 resists tearing and UV breakdown. It also allows water and nutrients to pass through while blocking light that feeds weed growth. Gardeners appreciate its weight and ease of installation. It lies flat, doesn't shift easily, and can be used beneath gravel, mulch, or bark chips. Though it's more expensive up front, its lifespan and strength make it a cost-effective option for permanent beds or commercial landscaping. Third on our list is the Sunifier Heavy-Duty Weed Barrier Fabric, a slightly lighter-duty option that still delivers excellent performance for the average gardener. This barrier comes in various sizes, including a compact 1.3-foot by 50-foot roll, making it ideal for raised beds or small paths. It's also made from woven polypropylene, designed for breathability and water permeability. One of the standout features of the Sunifier fabric is its tear resistance and UV stabilization, which helps it perform well in sunny areas. It includes easy-to-follow grid lines for cutting and planting, and it's praised for being lightweight and easy to handle. If you need a high-quality weed barrier on a smaller scale without sacrificing effectiveness, this product is a practical pick. Now let's talk about plastic options, starting with the VBS 6mm black plastic sheeting. This is a true blackout weed barrier, non-permeable and highly effective at completely preventing weed growth by cutting off all sunlight. Made from thick polyethylene, this plastic sheeting is weather-resistant and durable enough to be used under hardscapes, gravel, or even as a moisture barrier in raised beds. It's available in a range of sizes and is often used in commercial gardens or agricultural settings. However, unlike fabric, plastic does not allow water or air to penetrate, which can lead to poor soil health over time if left in place permanently. It also traps heat and can raise soil temperatures, which may be useful for pre-season planting or weed kill-off. For total weed suppression or one-time clearing projects, VBS plastic is a powerful option. Finally, we have the Farm Plastic Supply 4mm black plastic sheeting, a lighter-duty polyethylene sheet that still offers solid weed control for short-term use. This product is ideal for gardeners who want to solarize soil, warm beds in early spring, or keep weeds at bay in between planting season. It's not as heavy as the VBS version, but it's flexible, easy to cut, and budget-friendly. It also works well under mulch and pathways, or between rows where weed competition is high. While plastic sheeting isn't suitable for long-term soil health if used alone, it's incredibly effective in certain use cases where complete light blocking is necessary. If your priority is immediate and aggressive weed suppression, this is a solid, affordable choice.